and welcome to this episode of my Danish journey. So today we're gonna have 10 animals on board and the sounds they make in Danish. So let's get started. First one is a pig. In Danish, gris. Gris. And it says øf, øf. But you could also do a if you want to. Then we have the cow. Ko. Ko. And it says moo. Moo. Then we have a duck. En. En. And it says rap. Rap. Next one on the line is a frog. Frø. Frø. And it goes kvik. Kvik. Rooster. Hane. Hane. Going kugeliku. Kugeliku. A dog. Hund. Hund. And it goes vo. Vo. Or woof. Woof. The cat is called cat. Cat. And it goes meow. Meow. Then we have a sheep. Får. Får. And it says meh. Meh. A bird is called fool. Fool. And it goes pip. Pip. Then we have the chicken. So the girl version of the rooster. In høne. Høne. And it says gok, 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 gok. So those are the 10 animals, but I also want to give you a little bit of a bonus. So we're going to do a tongue twister. This tongue twister goes far for for. Nej, for ikke for lam. Gonna do it a little slower. Far for nej, for ikke for lam. That one means, Dad, do sheep have sheep? No, sheep do not have sheep. They have lambs, meaning children as lambs. So that's a little one for you to exercise at home. I hope this video was useful and good luck on your Danish journey.